Hello and welcome back to the AGF channel. Today I have a fun and easy improv patchwork pillow tutorial to brighten up your home. For this project, I used our new Pure Solids in vivid colors. This is also the perfect project to use up all those extra scraps laying around in your stash. With a little bit of imagination and some colorful fabric, you'll be able to stitch up this fun and modern pillow cover in no time flat. Here's what you'll need to get started. Strips cut from our new colors in Pure Solids. One 18 by 42 inch piece of linen in soft sand. One 16-inch square piece of medium weight batting. Embroidery floss. Scissors. Pins. A ruler. Needles. And a rotary cutter. Now let's get started making the improv patchwork pillow. Take your random strips and start laying them out, starting with your smallest pieces. Start by placing 2 pieces of fabric right sides together and sew directly to the batting at 1/4 inch. Finger press or iron flat. Choose another piece that fits along one edge and sew again, right sides together. Continue in this method until you've covered the entire rectangle. Now it's time to trim. Cut your block with your rotary cutter until it measures 12 by 14 inches. Now for the fun part. Let's embellish with embroidery. I've used a running stitch, a chain stitch, and a simple arrowhead stitch on my piece. Experiment and try a bunch of different stitches. Next, center your block on the pillow base and stitch around the perimeter to secure it. I'm using a decorative hem stitch on the machine for added detail. Pink or serge your sides around all the edges. You're going to hem your short edges by folding over at 1 inch and then turning under again at 1/2 inch. Press and stitch in place. Mark the center point on the long edge of your fabric. Now fold your short edges in toward the center of your pillow, overlapping your hems until the square measures 18 inches. Pin and then stitch the serged side seams in place. Finger press your corners and turn right side out. Stuff with an 18-inch pillow form, and you're all done. Don't forget to like this video, and until next time, happy sewing!